I just made $7,200 using Flux Charts Premium, and now I will show you how I did it so you can copy my style and my settings. The first thing you want to do is add all the indicators that I'm using. To do that, let's go to Indicators tab and search for Flux Charts, and you will see a lot of indicators. They have 9 premium indicators, but in this video we're gonna use 3 of them. So the first thing you want to add is the price section toolkit, the second one is the SVX algo, and the third one is the MTF supply and demand zones. So some of them we're gonna use as the signal, some of them we're gonna use as the confirmation indicators. Add 3 of them to add to your chart. After you add it, you should see something like this on your chart. Now we are in the replay mode. I will teach you how you will execute and when you will execute and the which time frame. So the time frame is different today. We are not using 1 minute, but we are using 2-minute time frame, but we are still scalping, right? So choose the 2-minute time frame, and the next thing you want to do is the settings. I will go very fast all the settings. If you have any questions regarding anything, you can ask me in the comment section. I will answer them one by one. We're gonna trade Nasdaq futures, so all these settings suits for the highly volatile tickers like the gold, like the Bitcoin. But if you have any questions, ask me, I will answer. So the trading styles, day trader, the trend length, the short term, the sensitivity is the 8, and you can copy rest of my settings. And now we will go to MTF supply and demand, and you can see the deduction method is the momentum, sensitivity is medium, and rest of it you can simply copy, just pause the video and apply it to your chart, and you will hit the OK button. The final settings is the price section toolkit. It has a lot of features. I have enabled the fair value gaps, inversion fair value gaps. You can change the inversion fair value gap colors like this, so you can make, if it is a bullish, you can make this blue. If it's a bearish, you can make this pink, so you can understand easily on the chart. You can enable volumetric info on this, but I don't use, since it makes it very hard to read sometimes. And I'm using order blocks, obviously, breaker blocks, and I suggest you enable the MTF highs and lows. That's it. That's everything you need. You can copy rest of my settings like equal highs, lows, and volume imbalance. So that's it. Hit the OK button. Now you are ready to trade, my friend. Now you will learn how I made a 7,200. But the thing is, the real truth is, don't get attached to numbers, because if some other trader executed the same position with the highest size, he could make like $15,000, or she could make, right? So now we are focusing on the chart and learning the strategy. That's what matters. So here you can see a 1 buy signal. It came 2 hours before the market opened, and literally the market rallied up till the launch macro. You can see that, right? So how many points is this? With my settings, you could easily make 200 points. I have shared this on my YouTube if you saw it. So this is a great settings, my friend. I have backtested many times. So now we will look for the next signal, if it's a hit or miss, and you will learn how you will execute that. So now you can see on my chart a 1 bearish fair value gap and 1 bearish order block, and we got the IFG here. It's looking a very nice short, right? Now we are waiting a confirmation from the signal, and if I disable the price section and the SVX, you can see that we have the box here and we got the retest. What does it mean, Borsa? It is a short incoming. You can basically take a short here, and this is what I suggest you do. So start taking a shorts here. Why, Borsa? Why you didn't wait the signal? Because the risk is very low, my friend. We will scale into position. This is how you're gonna make a lot of money. So you put the stop loss here. If you see a new session high, the plan is cancelled. But otherwise, we will target these lows, right? or you can ride until these lows or these lows, depends on the market. So for now, let's put it here, it's a 2-hour trade. This is what we're aiming for. And now we will roll the market to see what's going on here. We will enable the price action toolkit. We will enable the SVX algo. Now I'm rolling the market. I want to see what market will do. We are basically in the profit. My normal size is the 5 contracts. So I will scale if needed. Let's see. And we got one more retest. You can see one more retest. And now we're watching and one more retest. I want to see a speed in the market. Why, Borsa? Why you wait for the speed? Because the market got exhausted. It couldn't make any high, so it has to do something. It cannot chop forever. It has to deliver. So your job is to find the direction of the delivery. And now I'm thinking it's a short because we got a lot of retest. We made a new high. We have the IFG. We have the bearish order block. We still have the bearish fair value gap, right? So every time we touch the supply here, it's also a bearish fair value gap and the bearish order block. So I'm waiting for SVX algo to give me the signal. If I get the signal, I will scale more in this position and I will jump into this beautiful short position in a more size. So let's wait. And as you can see that we just got a sell signal from the SVX algo and we inverted all the bullish fair value gaps into a bearish inversion, right? So what I want to do is to scale this position and I will execute a 4 more contract and I want to take a full TP when the SVX algo says me take a profit because it suits my style. Look at this, it's the equal lows, right? I can target there. So my risk is at $10,000, my profit is $10,000, but it's not. Why? Because I will tighten up my stop loss. I will trail this and I will put it to this equal high. So let's roll the market to see what will happen. And don't forget that you can always take a partial when you just got this equal lows here. So I want to take 2 contracts here off. It's a bad execution, but I just want to show you how the things are working. Of course, it's not accurate 100% because it's a replay. Now, we just made $8,400 using this 3 perfect indicator. It's not that hard, right? I'm not cherry picking. This is the yesterday's price section. I'm not just going for the random day. I'm not just taking the best day ever. It's a random day. You can just go and see with your eyes. I will tell you the date. It's a 16th of June and today is 17th of June, my friend. So what I want you to do is go and implement all the settings in your chart and go and choose a random date. How I do that, Borsa? You will take and choose, click this. And you will go to a random bar and you will backtest this strategy. If you trade something else, I suggest you play around with the settings. Do not be afraid to play around. You can just play with the sensitivity. You can play with the trend length. You can do whatever you want and see how the signals goes. If it goes good, you can use that and test it for 2 days. If it works well, these settings, you can jump into that. And by the way, you don't have to use SVX, right? You can only trade with the MTF and the price action toolkit, or you can just use the price action toolkit because it has a lot of good stuff inside of it. Like I said, the fair value gaps, the inversion, the breaker blocks. You can combine the breaker blocks with the inversion, or you can combine the fair value gaps with the order blocks. It's very easy. It's up to you. You can add the volume imbalances in the play. You can do whatever you want and however you want. The thing is, these indicators are here to help you and to make you a better trader every day. Oh, before I go, I have grabbed a 20% off for you. If you want to take a deal, you will just put it Borsa in the coupon code and you are good to go. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.